Meron kang may incident na very important to record. Oo. Kasi pag incident na ngayon, hindi mo kailangang sabihin, I need to record this. No. You have a right to record in incident, especially in really incident na kailangan mong i-record na sa palagay mo your life is in danger without asking permission of that other side for you to record. But of course, if you have conversation na discussion, argument, i-inform mo sila. Just to let you know, you're recorded, okay? And then, if you have a meeting, mayroon kang meeting, may yung tinatawag na consent, yun yung kailangan ng consent. Kasi meeting yun eh. Kada i-record this, magpaalam kang consent. Kung hindi mo i-record kasi hindi pa siya upload kasi meeting yun. But in an incident, without permission, because you have to write, that's your evidence. That's your evidence. You need to record it. Kasi incident ka eh.